Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, coming to you live from West Palm Beach at National Drive Electric Week. We've got Tesla here, we've got Karma here, Chevy Bolt, Chevy Volt, lots of cars, hybrids, electrics, everything. I'm going to take you on a tour and show you what we've got.
What's in the frunk?
Even though it was a hot and humid morning in South Florida, we had a pretty good turnout with 7 Model 3s, 4 in blue and 3 in midnight silver, 4 Model S 85s, 1 Model X, 3 BMW i3s, 2 Karma Riveros, 1 Nissan Leaf 2nd Gen, 3 Nissan Leaf 1st Gens, 1 Chevy Bolt, 1 Chevy Volt, 1 Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid electric minivan, pretty cool, 1 Mitsubishi iMEV, 3 Toyota Priuses, or do you call a group of them Prii? It was really nice of Tesla of West Palm Beach to bring out a brand new Model S P100D Ludicrous. Beautiful car. And we really just tried our best to help educate people about the benefits of electric cars, and we can only hope to see more cars next year.